Hello everyone, this is Tutul and you are watching Codees. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude in your system. We can install Claude by many different types, like you can natively install to your device or you can install it through NPM. So let me show you how you can install it natively in your device. So first of all, you have to come to the Google and search for Claude Code install. And you can get the Claude Code official documentation page, which shows you quick start Claude Code documentation. In this page, you can see all the instruction how you can download it and install it. For installing Claude Code, we need different application like Node.js. If you're familiar with programming or coding, you already know what is Node.js. Then you can need a source code management system, that is Git. Just search for Node.js or Git and you can download and install it. Now come to the documentation page. If you scroll down, then you can see the step-by-step guidelines how you can install it. So in this section, you can see you can download and install it in your every device like Windows, macOS or Linux. So we're going to install it natively in our device. So click on native install, which is already selected. As I am using Windows, so I have to look for the Windows installation. Here you can see I can install Claude Code in two ways, from Windows PowerShell and Windows CMD. So let me do it from Windows PowerShell. Just copy the Windows PowerShell code and search for the Windows PowerShell. Just open it as normal open. Do not open it as administrator. Then just paste the code which you already copied from Claude Code documentation page. So paste it here and hit enter. It will take some time to install the Claude Code. After the installation, if we write the command Claude, hit enter, and yes, it is asking me the permission that if we trust this folder or not. Let me press enter, and yes, our Claude Code installation is successful and this is our Claude Code. After that, you can connect your paid API key, your Anthropic API key, or whatever you want, just in a simple way. That's all for me. Thank you, everyone.